next method that you have got is graphical method of solving the linear equation. So graphically how to solve the linear equation and find the solution of the given equation. So we'll take an example, we'll take one problem and see how to solve the linear equation graphically. (3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0). In the second equation you have got 2x plus y is equal to 8. So now this you have to solve the two linear equations given, and you have to find out the solution of the linear equation by using graphical method. So in 9th standard you have learned how to draw the graph of a linear equation. You will get a slanting straight line. So the same way you have to do it on the same graph paper. Both the straight lines, when you draw, they meet at a single point. So we'll see how to draw the graph. So to draw the graph for the linear equation, the first thing is you have to prepare the table. So we'll take the first equation, that is 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. From this we'll find out what is the value of y. So take y to the other side, you get y is equal to 3x minus 2. So I've taken minus y to the other side. These two I've kept it as it is. So you get y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now here what you have to do is give different values for x and find out what is the value of y. So you take at least 4 values to draw the graph. So first we'll prepare the table for the first one by giving values for x. So the first value I'll give is, I'll take x is equal to 0. So y will be equal to 3 into 0 minus 2. So you get y is equal to 3 into 0 is 0 itself. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So now the second value, I'll take x is equal to 1. So when I take x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 2, you get y is equal to 1. Now the third value, I'll take x is equal to 2. Even the positive as well as negative values you can take. So you get y is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 1, which will be equal to 5. Now one more value that I'll take is, I'll take one negative value. So when I take a negative value, I'll take x as minus 1. So you get y is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 2 you get. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 2 will be equal to minus 5. So like this you take at least a minimum of minimum if you take, even if you take 3 values it is enough. But to get the accurate straight line you take at least 4 values. Now next what we will do is, so using these values we will prepare the table. So the table, how do you prepare? You write the x values, you write the y values, and then write it in the coordinate form. So this is x, this is y, and then you have to write xy. Then the first value what you have taken is, when x is 0, y will be equal to minus 2 in the form of coordinate 0, minus 2. Now next, x you have taken as 1. When you have taken x as 1, you have got y also as 1, so you get 1, 1. Next is x is 2 and y is 5, so you get 2, 5. Then the last value you have taken is minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 5. So like this you have to prepare the table. So here y is equal to, find the value of y by taking 2x to the other side. So you get y is equal to 8 minus 2x. I think here we have done a mistake here. So here it is 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. So you get here as 4. Now find out the value of y by giving different values for the value of x. So first we'll take the value of x as 2. So y will be equal to 8 minus 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then I'll take the value of x as 3. So you get y is equal to 8 minus 2 into 3. So you get y is equal to 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. Now next, and take x is equal to 4. So you get y is equal to 8 minus 2 into 4. So you get y is equal to 0. So like this, minimum of at least 3 values and maximum you can take 4 values. Now with this, prepare the table. So you got x, y and coordinate x, y. The first value that you have got is x is 2 and y is 4. So 2 comma 4 you have to write. The next one what you have got, x you have taken 3, y is 2, so you get 3 comma 2. Then the next one you have taken x as 4 and y you got 0, the form of coordinate 4 comma 0. So like this, prepare the table. So we have prepared the table for drawing the graph. Now we'll see how to plot the graph for this table. So for that, on the graph sheet, draw the x-axis and draw the y-axis. And after drawing the x-axis and y-axis, write x dash, and here y dash. Then each centimeters, take it as 1 unit. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, on the negative side, -1, -2, -3. Even on the y-axis, take 1 centimeters as 1 unit. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 and -1, -2, -3. So after drawing the x-axis and y-axis and taking the value, now you have to plot these points on the graph. So the first value you got is 0 and -2. 0, -2, you get it here. Just put a dot and write the coordinates. Now you got 1, 1. So 1, 1, you get it here. Just put a dot and write 1, 1. Then you got 2, 4. So 2, 4, you get it here. Just put a dot and write the coordinates 2, 4. Then join all these lines, you will get a straight line. So put arrow mark at the 2 ends and write the equation here. So this equation was 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So write the equation. The next thing, you have to plot these points. So you got 2, 4. 2, 4, it will be the same point. So plot it and write 2, 4. 2, 4 is already written, so you don't have to write it once again. Next you have got 3, 2. So 3, 2, you get it here. Just put a dot and write 3, 2. Then 4, 0. 4, 0 you get here. So 4, 0. Then join all the points there. While joining all the points, you will get a straight line. So these two straight lines will meet at a point. The point where it meets, the coordinates of that will give you the solution of the equation. So after you draw the straight line, even for the second line also you write what is its equation. So the equation was 2x plus y is equal to 8. So this was the equation of the second one. So write the equation here. So when the two lines are meeting, where the two lines are meeting, find its coordinate. So that is the x coordinate you have to find out, the y coordinate you have to find out. So it is already pointed here, it is 2 and 4. So x value will be equal to 2 and y value will be equal to 4. So this is how you find the solution. The solution of the two equation will be the point of intersection of the two straight lines, the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two straight lines. So therefore when you write the solution, so you have to write solution is x comma y is equal to 2 comma 4. Then you write what is the value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is equal to 4. So this is how you write the solution of the equation. Then the next thing is writing of the scale. At the right hand top corner you write the scale. So here you have taken scale on both the axes, you have taken 1 centimeter as 1 unit. So you can directly write on both scales, on both axes you can write. On both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So this completes the graph. So you have to be very careful in pointing the coordinates, writing the equations, then writing the x-axis, y-axis, and writing the scale, and then writing what is the solution of the equation. So this completes the solution of the linear equation by using graphical method.